Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to allocate part payment on Xero. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Xero, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Allocating a part payment in Xero involves recording a partial payment against an invoice or bill, which helps maintain accurate accounts and ensure proper tracking of outstanding amounts. Now, here's how you can allocate a part payment for both customers and suppliers or even your clients. Now, in my case, you can go to the account that you wanted to work with. In my case, I'm going to be choosing the demo company, US, because Andy's guide doesn't have a lot of transactions that we can work with. It doesn't have data. Now once you are here on the dashboard, all you're going to do is go to the find and match and just select the transaction that you're going to work with. Okay. Now go to the new transaction option here. And then there should be an option that says spend money, transfer money. I want you to click on this spend money. If you don't have that, it's okay to click on the receive money. All right. And here, for example, we are working with the city limousines. Just change the name of the recipient or from the sender and make sure that this is going to be for overpayment. All right. For example, this is not for this one. Click on Andy guide. All right. Click on that. And of course, change the amount. For example, you're going to be putting in maybe like one. Okay. Maybe one. Make sure the currency is correct because this is actually auto pre-filled, so you don't have to worry with that. But just make sure that you find and check the information correctly, right? It pays a check. Once you're sure about that, click on Save Transactions. And I need you to go to the accounting and go to the accounts payables. And that's going to be a payables aging summary. You should be able to see the transaction that we have recorded earlier. That's going to be, I believe that's from Andy's guides. And this one, right? We have like a click on it if you wanted. And of course, you can put in like click on update. And if you wanted to deliver this specific allocated part payment to Xero, you can do so by clicking on this option. All right. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.